Hello everyone, my name is Rohan. I belongs to Sonipat Haryana, but currently I live in Noida. I have completed my B.Sc in radio imaging technology in the year of 2021. After that I realized that I have my interest in IT field. Then I was trying to find a way to enter into the IT field. Then I got to know about Evision, that it is an IT recruitment and consulting company. I joined a 6 month internship program in Evision where I learned about CCNA, networking, virtualization, and window administration as well. They are providing industry level exposure. Now I got selected in Tech Mahindra as level 2 desktop support engineer. Faculties are too good in it. I suggest to everyone who wants to make their future bright in the field of IT, then he or she has to join Evision. Thanks to everyone and thanks Evision.